really great contribution to our country by removing this project. Generation of electricity with solid waste. These solid waste is generated into electricity.
What is solid waste? Solid waste is unwanted or unusable material that can be unusable material that results in human activities like residents, commercialization and industrial areas. There are two types of solid waste. First, biodegradable waste and second, non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste that can be broken down, natural elements like water, soil and carbon dioxide are known as biodegradable waste. Examples of biodegradable waste: kitchen waste, yard and garden waste, paper products and animals waste and manure. Non-biodegradable waste that does not decompose or break down naturally is called as non-biodegradable waste. Examples: plastic products, metal, glass, chemicals are some examples of non-biodegradable waste.
Method of power generation. Incineration. Waste is burned to produce heat, steam and electricity. The next, biogas production. Organic waste is decomposed. Catalysis. Waste is heated without oxygen to produce oil and gas fuels. Gasification. Partial addition and produces syngas. Process of flow of power generation solid waste. Solid waste collection, segregation and sorting. Transmission and utilization and electricity generation. Step for power generation of power. Solid waste collection. In this, waste is collected from household and industries. Segregation and sorting. Recycle and non-combustible materials are separated. Waste treatment. Waste is processed. Energy conversion. In this process, conversion of waste into heat and gas takes place. Electricity generation. Here, heat or gas drives turbines and generators to produce electricity. Transmission and utilization. The generated power is supplied to grid of people's and industry use.
This is a rough image that our project will look like. These are solar heat panels are connected to the batteries and batteries are connected to the board and the wires of boards are connected to the bulb holder and the electricity is generated. Byproducts and benefits of control waste management. Byproducts: ink from pollutants. The ink is made from the released pollutants. Example: air. Next one, content from ash. The waste released from the combustion process contains silica and metal dioxide, and concrete is made from this ash. Benefits of our project: energy recovery, waste reduction, circular economy, environmental benefits, and infrastructure support. Environmental